Hi, my name is Kate Perry. I had the pleasure of spending a day at the J.N. Dink Darling Wildlife Preserve on Sanibel Island. By choosing this unique preserve as my field trip destination, I was afforded the opportunity to learn about the marine life in my area. The waters surrounding the island of Sanibel are home to a rich group of marine wildlife. The West Indian manatee is particularly interesting to me because they inhabit the waters of Florida. Because of their slow metabolic rates, they must live in warm waters to survive. The most interesting concepts I learned were the steps the Southwest Florida manatee takes to keep warm in the winter. Occasionally, the waters turn to a chilly 70 degrees, and the manatees start searching for a warmer place to digest their food and rest. They typically seek out Florida Power and Light's plant turbines that generate so much energy that the surrounding waters become heated. To find food, the manatee ventures away from the warmth of the power plant, scavenges, then returns to the warmth to aid in proper digestion. Did you know that the manatee is the only vegetarian marine mammal? This beautiful creature is an important part of our ecosystem. Also, on my trip at Ding Darling, I learned about the significance the mangroves have on the ecosystem. Mangroves are trees, so they not only provide oxygen for our use, but also are a habitat for a countless number of species. Did you know that there are actually three different types of mangrove in our area? There are the red mangrove, the black mangrove, and the white mangrove. The red mangrove is usually found closest to the water, while the white mangrove prefers the land, and the black is in the middle region. Another interesting fact about the mangrove is that the seeds walk. This means that once the long, skinny seed is dropped from the tree, it bobs upright until it hits land and takes root. Many people recognize the mangrove tree by looking at its unique and intricate root system. That root system actually makes the plant so useful for the marine environment. It provides shelter and protection for many creatures. I had an awesome time learning at Ding Darling. I will definitely be returning to visit the beautiful wildlife drive and the friendly volunteers. It really opened my eyes to see the ways that the marine creatures and producers react to the changes in the environment.